Okay, so as with any props project that you ever do, the number one thing you have to try and figure out is establish the parameters of what this thing has to do. Okay, this when you establish the parameters, it allows you to try and figure out what's going to be the best way to engineer and build these things. Okay, parameters often are about things like where you can actually work on this. In your case, you're probably going to be working in your house or your garage, so that kind of limits you and the type of tools you have and things like that. When we're in the prop shop here, you actually have, basically we've got all the tools, and depending on how much money you have, there's that stuff in terms of engineering. That's going to affect how you decide to engineer it. Now, also, what has to happen to it on stage? We want everything always to look the correct. We want it to look like whatever the picture of the research is or the drawing, but we also need it to be in scale. So it has to have correct scale and correct proportions. Okay, so those are the two things we're really looking for. In my case, what I've decided to do is I'm actually going to do a circlet that went around the helmet of the Black Prince. Who's buried in Canterbury. He's got an effigy in Canterbury Cathedral where he's buried, and he's in his full armor from the mid 1300s. Back in this class, maybe almost a decade ago, I did a fiberglass positive mold of a bassinet that is in the same style as the Black Prince's. And so what I'm going to do, and I actually just got around to sort of finishing up the fiberglass on that, and so what I'm going to do is try and create a circlet that will go around it and look like the Black Prince's actual helmet. Okay, but I think I'll probably try and do one out of metal, and I'll do one out of foam, so that you can see the both ways to do that.